Hi everyone, welcome back to Everything Data Analytics. And in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through on how to create and set up a temporary organization email which you are going to be using to sign up for your Power BI service, which is absolutely free. So I've had a lot of questions. I've had a lot of people asking me on how to get a Power BI account if they don't have company email or they cannot use their personal email to create that. And then here is a solution to that. I found a solution to this, and I'm going to be walking you through how to create a Power BI free account, and even if you don't have an organization temporary email. So the first thing that you are going to be doing is to go to Google and then search for email, temp email, email. Then once you search for that, you click on it. Once you click on it, this is verify. If you are human, you can be seeing the same thing. So click on verification to verify. That's verification successful. So now your temporary, we are in this window page, and your temporary email address is being loading. So once it's loaded, we just need to copy it. So now this is the temporary email address that I have. So all I need to do is to copy this. Now I've copied. You click here and copy. That has been copied. So the next thing is to sign up for Power BI service account. Then you go to Power BI, powerbi.com. So once you click that, you begin your registration for creating Power BI free account. So now the next thing you are going to do is to paste the organization email that you have created, that you have generated. That's the next thing that you are going to be doing. So now submit. Once you submitted, you now submit this. Now you have submitted. So now it will take you to where you will fill all the necessary detail that has been requested to generate your Power BI account. So the next thing is to click on next. Okay, it's asking us to do this. So now it's saying pick one square that show two identical order. So now you are just going to do that. Anything that is bringing for you, you are going to be also doing it. So I think this is this for me. So now that's verification. So the next thing now is to, yes, it's asking what kind of email is this. So you have to click on organization email because it's a temporary organization email. So click on next. Click on there, you fill your name. So I'm going to be filling a different name. Okay, I can fill there. Let me fill my name. Let me fill my name. Then choose your state that you are. So I'm going to choose my state, which is Nigeria. So now this, just remove the zero that is there in your, this is my email, so job title data analyst. So now you have to create a password. You create a password. Now I want to create a temporary password for that. I'm going to be creating a temporary password for that. Temporary password for that. So I'll just create, oh yeah. So you to just create a temporary password. So doing the same thing for this, confirm. So now verification code. So go back to that your temporary email. Verification code has been sent there. So that's where you will pick your verification code. This is the verification code. So my verification code is 312809. So go back here and paste 312809. So let me go and recheck that. So this is where you get your verification. So you scroll down and get it under this place. So now you can check this, then click on next. Click on then it's signing us in. So I can just change it here so that I can save my password. Save my password. So get started. Get started. So it say action require. So click on next. Click on it. You can just set up your authentication. You can do that. So now you can scan this, do the same thing, scan this. You can use your camera to scan it. So you can use your Google Authenticator to scan this, which I'm going to be using for mine. I'm going to scan this. So this has been scanned. So I'll do the same. So that has been approved. I've scanned that. Click on done. You do the same thing and then click stay signing. Yes. So now it's trying to sign me in now to Power BI account. So it's loading now. Power BI, my Power BI service account. So now this has signed me in now. This is Power BI. I'm now in Power BI service now. This is Power BI service. So if I open Power BI desktop now, assuming I have this Power BI desktop now, I already have my sign in here, and then I use a different account. Using a different account, copy that email. If I paste that email that I use, paste, then continue, and then I put my password, it will sign me in. So now to ask for my sign-in detail, that's Google. So I want to use a different account, so to use this. So I will enter my password there. Then sign in. Now it has signed me in. It will definitely show you. You can see now it has signed me in here. You can see now. So I can use from here now, I can use this to go to Power BI service account share, and that's it. You've now created a Power BI service account using a free temporary email. If this help you, kindly drop a comment below, like the video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. It is very important. Subscribe to my channel for more data analytics tutorial. And if this expire after 60 days, you can decide to create another temporary email. Thanks for watching. Stay on this channel for more data and everything on data analytics content. To explore more on my page, check all that tutorial on my page. Bye.